Okay, guys, so this is the after effects of the swipe. Um, I really do like it. I like it. So I'm going to try to hold this and zoom in here where you could really see the cells and how they formed. Every single color that was used, you're able to see it in this swipe. Okay. Bright blue, purple, well, actually royal violet, and my own personal mix of gold and bronze mixed together. And it just spreads throughout the paint. You can see the glitter. Then, for the swipe, I mixed together, believe it or not, white, royal violet, blue, and gold. Because I didn't want it, white has a tendency to take over. It's a very heavy paint, and so it has a tendency to take over, and I didn't want that. So you won't see a stark white, you'll see a pale. And so I do have the cobalt blue. It's time to go to bed. It's the late night swiping pours. You'll see all of the blues. Like, I love that. And then you see the bright blue in here. It just did his own thing here. The cells are amazing, right? Have some lacing. And amazing how that gold and that copper mixed together, how it peeps through here. It's just awesome. So this is my this is my third painting for the day. I think I have done enough. Look at the gold. And it is still coming through and more cells are popping up. I've never seen so many cells that I have created, or painted and they've created. I've never. It just keeps getting better. So again, this is a do-over. The previous video that I sent out because I didn't like it. Sometimes not leaving it alone, walking away from it, coming back to it, doing something different, and then coming back to it will give you a different insight. And so I want to say thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for supporting me. Do definitely join me on my YouTube channel. And you will see the link below in the bottom left-hand corner. Just click the button to subscribe. Please join me. Anything that you think you might want to see, hey, put it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to oblige you. I'm going to get these videos together so that you could see all of the ones that I've done today. Thank you for joining me. And again, I want you to have a good night. Bye-bye.